हेलो साथीहरू, आज हामी अङ्ग्रेजीमा ग्रिटिङ्स गर्नलाई प्रयोग हुने शब्दहरू के हुन् भन्ने विषयमा छलफल गर्दैछौँ। सो लेट्स ह्याभ अ लुक। Greetings in English by BBC English Language Center. Greetings in English are common expressions or phrases used to say hello, welcome, or express good wishes when meeting someone or starting a conversation. Here are some of common greetings in English. Hello. It's a universal and friendly way to say hi. And the next is hi. It's a casual and friendly greeting. Hey. Another informal way to say hello. Good morning. It's typically used in the morning until around noon. Good afternoon. Used in the early to late afternoon. And the next one is good evening. Appropriate in the evening, usually after 6 or 7 p.m. How are you? It's a question, often used to show interest in someone's well-being. And the next one is what's up? It's a casual and informal way to ask what someone is doing or how someone is doing. And the next one is how is it going? A similar informal inquiry about someone's well-being. Hey there! It's a friendly and casual greeting. Good day, a colloquial greeting used in Australian English. How day, a friendly and informal way to say hello, often associated with the American South. Remember that the appropriateness of a greeting can depend on the context and your relationship with the person you are addressing. Use formal greetings in more formal settings and informal greetings with friends and acquaintances. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this YouTube channel.